Okay, let's go over how to draw a tiger here. Kind of snarling, kind of angry. So I'm going to draw a line down for the eye. Circle for the actual eye. And I'm going to go over here to the other side. Draw another circle, maybe about yay, not too far off, but far enough. Line here. Gonna go down between these, kind of like a triangle, and I'm gonna draw the nose, which is a curve. I'm gonna swoop in a bit, and it's gonna curve over here on the other side. Line down here, and line down here. Down the middle. I'm gonna draw a square right here for a nostril. And over here on this side, I'm gonna draw another square for the other nostril. And I'm gonna draw a line up in the center. Oops, the fan over here is really in my face. All right. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go over here and draw a curve. The top of the mouth over here. Continue to curve right here. Excuse me. Curve along the side. For the side of the mouth. Curve along the side over here. Now, let's pull a line down here for those big teeth on the side, the big canines. Line here. Curve line in. And there's going to be smaller teeth right there in the middle portion. Right on. Line down. Bottom teeth over here. Excel those sharp teeth, and then more small teeth between them as we go on. All right, let's go back into the eyes a bit here. Going to curve over here, curve over here, and we're going to pull in and give them a real angry kind of furrowing kind of tension in the face there. Line in here. We're going to pull, again, some tension lines. Kind of more or less coming into this area. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Gonna fill that in. Curve. All right. Gonna draw kind of a dot right here for the eye. Like he's really going nuts. It's really crazy. And I'm gonna start over here. I'm gonna go over here to the top of the head. Maybe about yay level. Forgive me for the cough, sorry about that. Line over here. Zigzag up, down, zigzag over here for the ear, pulling in. Going over here this side, up, down, pulling in. Gonna go out, over here, up, down, out over here, down, and just kind of zigzagging down for the most part. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the bottom of the mouth here. Go over here. Below this, find the gums. And we have pretty much the general shape of the head so far. You know, we have the eyes placed, the nose and mouth. And what I want to do here is I want to just kind of keep going into this, and I'm going to start putting, right now I'm putting the open part of the mouth over here. And what I really want to start doing here, maybe some teeth over here on the side, is I want to start throwing in the stripes, okay? You just want to get the direction down and you're fine, okay? I wouldn't worry too hard about it. So I'm going to zigzag over here on this side. Kind of just drawing a zigzaggy line. I'm not filling it in yet or anything, like thickening it out. Over here. Line over here. Line, line. Line over here. Line, line, line. And this area right here is going to shoot off and pull up into a design. Curve here around the eyes. Another curve. I'm just drawing the lines in, but I'm going to fill them out in a bit, and I'm going to show you how I do that. And maybe another line right here. So we have our lines down, but now, well, actually not quite. Over here in the forehead, line here, line across the head here, and there's actually kind of the top's gonna have it. But now what you wanna do is you wanna fill out these lines. Let me show you what I mean. Something like this, I wanna make it thick and then maybe thin right here, and then fill that in. Same thing over here with this. You just want to give it a kind of a pretty look by making it like look like a blade or something, like thick to thin. And you can do that to every one of these lines right here. You're going to make them a little bit thicker, and a lot of them are going to end over here, end at a certain spot. They're going to be thick to thin. And that's, in my opinion, the easiest way to do the line stripes. You draw them in, and then you alter their shape after, like right here. Line over here. Those are different though. These are actual creases from the snarling, right? Well, let's just look at the actual stripe over here, right here on this side. Dot, 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 dot. Line over here. I'm gonna fill in a little bit more of the eye because there's a lot of black on the eyes. Looks almost like eyeshadow. It's pretty wild. See right there, taking this line right here, and I'm creating solid shapes from all of these areas. And it's pretty fun to do, honestly. If you want to do it, you know, if I did this again, I would do it differently. And by do it differently, I mean like some of these shapes would be different, right? It's kind of at my whim. It's at my discretion. Line over here. Excuse me. Over here in this area. And I'm making, like I said, thick lines out of all this. So this is, like I said, it takes time, and I don't know if it's boring watching this. Excuse me, sorry. If it does help watching this, don't forget to share the video with a friend who you think might like it. I'm here to really help everybody out. Also on the official website, sketchingeasy.com. There's some more stuff on there, so you can go check that out. One over here. Curve, 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 right? Drawing the line to the teeth there. And I'm going to draw a line down here for the shadow, and I am going to fill this in. Kind of for the shadow falling off that. Filling in over here, kind of the lip area, right? Because the lips are also black, so you want to fill that in as much as you can. And yeah, just fill it in with this marker here. Maybe one over here, just a little bit. Maybe a line over here off the edge. You can put in. They have hair in their ears, you know. Okay. Draw a line with hair there. And if you really, really want, you can kind of do it along the edge as well here. You can do it along the edge, and it's going to give it a different look. Like I said, I hope this is helping you. I hope, you know, sorry if I'm blocking when I'm doing this. But the whole idea here is for you to kind of take this and do one of these yourself, right? Draw a tiger face. The lines, just make sure they're in the certain, you know, they're going with the flow of the face there. I would just look at a picture of a tiger, follow that, vaguely draw the lines, and then just start shaping the lines to what you like. You know, start shaping the lines. It's really cool. You know, you can just kind of do that, create other stuff here. Like that, like that's just a whim. Over here, thickening this out, just because I like thickening lines regardless. So now I'm going into the face here, and I'm kind of like, okay, what can I do? Well, let me fill this in as well. I'm going to the face, and I'm kind of like, what can I do to add more detail? Probably add some more thin tension lines. Not so much design lines anymore, but tension, right? There's a lot of tension in his face because he's really freaking out. He's going nuts, right? Alrighty. And that's about it, but I'm gonna put a little bit more dark around the eyes. I just think it needs it. Maybe over here as well. I think it just needs it for focus, honestly. Let's draw a little bit more dark over here. Just needs a little bit more focus there around the eyes. But if you like this, like I said, hit me up. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.